Somebody sent me a video last week. You have probably seen it. A guy sits across from a podcast host and says, mortgages are financial crack to middle America. The poor can't afford them, the rich don't use them. And then he explains how you can replace your mortgage with a first lien home equity line of credit at simple interest and pay off your house in 5 to 7 years. 227,000 people watched that video and almost nobody ran the math. What we did and what I found is going to either confirm everything you believed about this strategy or completely change how you think about it. Before I show you what I found, I want to give credit where credit is due. First of all, the concept behind First Lien HELOC strategy is not a scam. Listen, I've showed it. Plenty of videos about that on this channel. The people teaching it are not frauds. The underlying principle that simple interest is structurally different from amortized interest and that difference can be used to your advantage, that's real. That's documented. That's mathematically true. And the strategy absolutely works in certain scenarios. I'm going to show you exactly which ones. But it does not work the way it gets described on most podcasts and most YouTube channels. And if you take the strategy and apply it to the wrong scenario, you do not pay off your house in 7 years. You pay it off in 50. And you spend nearly $10 million doing it. I'm not exaggerating, right? That's the math. And I'm going to show you every number. Let me start with the two formulas first, because this is where the whole conversation lives. There are two ways to calculate interest on a loan: amortized interest and simple interest. Most people have never had anyone explain the difference in plain language. So let me do that right now. Amortized interest, this is what your death pledge uses, or mortgage. The bank calculates your fixed monthly payment at the beginning using this formula. Your loan amount, your interest rate, and your loan term go in, and a fixed payment comes out. That payment never changes, $1,896.20 for 30 years if your mortgage is $300,000 at 6.5%. Here's what the formula actually does. It front loads the interest. Every month your interest charge is calculated on your remaining balance. In month one, that remaining balance is $300,000. So the interest charge is $300,000 times 6.5% divided by 12 months, which is $1,625. That gets taken out of your payment first before a single dollar touches principal. What is left, $271.20, goes to the principal. $1,896 payment, and that's how that goes. 85.7 cents of every dollar going to interest. Now, it stays that way for years because the balance drops so slowly in the early years, the interest charge barely moves. The bank designed it that way intentionally. They collect the most from you when your balance is highest and when you are most committed to the house. They maximize their return in the years you are least likely to walk away. That is amortized interest. Now here is simple interest. Simple interest calculates differently. The formula is interest equals principal times rate times time. What makes it powerful is what principal means in this formula. In simple interest, principal means your actual current balance, not your original loan amount, not a fixed schedule. Your actual balance on the actual day the interest is calculated. And a HELOC calculates simple interest daily. Every single day it looks at your balance and charges you interest on exactly what you owe that day. Here's why that matters. If your paycheck deposits into your HELOC on day one of the month, your balance drops immediately. And for every day your paycheck is sitting in that HELOC before your bills go out, you are paying interest on a lower balance. Your bills draw the balance back up throughout the month, but the average daily balance for that month, the number the HELOC uses to calculate your interest charge, is lower than your starting balance. And lower average daily balance means less interest charged. That's the engine behind the strategy. That is the real mathematical advantage of simple interest over amortization, and it is genuine, it's real. I'm not dismissing that. But here is where the math breaks. Let me show you exactly what happens when you take a $300,000 mortgage and convert it to a first lien HELOC at 8% simple interest. Month one, Your balance is $300,000. Your HELOC rate is 8% annually. Monthly interest charge, $300,000 times 8% divided by 12 is $2,000. Your traditional mortgage payment was $1,896.20. The HELOC interest charge alone is $103.80 more than your entire mortgage payment. Before the paycheck sweep strategy does a single dollar of work, you are already behind. The interest on the HELOC exceeds the payment you were making on the mortgage. Now apply the paycheck sweep. Your $6,500 income comes in on day one. Your $5,700 in expenses draw gradually. Your average daily balance for the month drops to approximately $299,600, not $300K, because the paycheck briefly suppresses the balance. Monthly interest on $299,600 is 8%, $1,997. Your natural monthly surplus, the money left over after all expenses, is $800. So here is what actually happens to your balance in month one. You start at $300,000. You add $1,997 in interest. You subtract your $800 surplus. You end the month at $301,197. Your balance went up, not down, up by $1,197 in month one alone. And it keeps going up every month because at 8% on $300,000, the monthly interest charge is $2,000. Your surplus is $800. You're $1,200 short every single month before you make any forward progress. That gap compounds. The balance grows. The interest charge grows. The gap widens. That's why the math actually hit a 600-month cap. That mortgage never pays off under those conditions. And the total interest in that scenario approaches $10 million. Let me say that again. $10 million in interest on a $300,000 house because the surplus cannot keep up with the interest charge at that rate and that balance. Now here's where I need to pause because some of you are watching this and thinking, CJ, that can't be right. I've seen people say this strategy paid off their house. I've seen testimonials. I've seen the math work on the whiteboard and you've even done it. Here's my honest answer. The math does work. Just not at those numbers. The First-Lien HELOC strategy produces real results under specific conditions. Let me show you exactly what those conditions are. Condition one, the HELOC rate is equal to or lower than the mortgage rate. If your HELOC is at 6% and your mortgage is at 6.5%, the simple interest advantage is real and the math works in your favor. You are getting the daily recalculation benefit without the rate penalty. Every dollar of your paycheck sweep works harder, the chunks hit harder, the payoff accelerates meaningfully. Condition two, your balance is low enough that your surplus exceeds the monthly interest charge. At 8% on $100,000, monthly interest is $667. If your payment is $1,896, you have $1,229 going to principal every month. Add the paycheck sweep at the daily recalculation and that $100,000 pays off significantly faster than a traditional amortized loan. The math works. The strategy delivers. At 8% on $300,000, monthly interest is $2,000. Your $800 surplus is less than half of what you need just to cover the interest gap. The math doesn't work. Not because the strategy is wrong, because the numbers don't support it at that balance. Now, condition three. Your income surplus is large enough to overcome the rate differential. If you have a $3,000 monthly surplus on that $300,000 HELOC at 8%, now you're covering the $2,000 interest charge and putting $1,000 toward principal every month, using your home as a bank as you should. Add the sweep benefit and the chunks and the math start working again. The strategy works when the surplus is large enough relative to the balance. So here's what I want you to take away from this. The First-Lien HELOC strategy is not a scam. The simple interest principle is real. The paycheck sweep mechanism, it's real. The daily recalculation advantage, that's real. But it's a tool. And like any tool, it works when you use it in the right situation. And it creates serious problems when you use it in the wrong one. If someone tells you to replace your $300,000 mortgage with a First-Lien HELOC at 8% and your natural monthly surplus is $800, and nobody runs the numbers before you sign, that's a problem. Not because the strategy's bad, because the numbers were never verified. That is the part this channel will never let slide. I do not care how compelling the podcast was. I do not care how many people watched the video. I don't care how good the whiteboard presentation looked. Run the math every time for your specific balance, your specific rate, your specific surplus, not a generic example, yours. Because the difference between the strategy working and the strategy costing you $10 million is not which strategy you choose, it's whether the numbers actually support it in your situation. Numbers don't lie. Now, let me tell you where velocity banking absolutely does work, because I want you to leave this video with something practical, not just a warning. The velocity banking strategy that we teach using HELOC as a cash flow tool alongside your existing mortgage works when the HELOC is used to chunk, oh yeah, high rate debt. Credit cards at 24%, let's say, right? That never pay off. Personal loans at 12%, car loans at 7%. You move those balances to an 8% HELOC and the rate arbitrage works in your favor immediately. 24% becomes 8%, 6 points of rate reduction overnight. That math is verified. We've run it several times here. The paycheck sweep on the HELOC with your mortgage still in place reduces the HELOC's average daily balance and accelerates the trunk repayment. That works. We've shown you. The combination of chunking high rate debt to the HELOC and sweeping your paycheck through it, that is what produces the results that we document. Not replacing the mortgage with the HELOC at a higher rate with low cash flow, using the HELOC as an acceleration tool alongside the mortgage to eliminate high rate debt first, then directing that freed up cash flow toward the mortgage principal. And that's the sequence. That's what the math actually supports. And I'm all for you getting an all-in-one HELOC. As a matter of fact, there's only one that I trust. Just click on the link below. And if you want to see exactly what that sequence does to your specific debt, your specific balances, your specific rates, your specific surplus, I want you to click on the one link below. It'll take you to where I am in the lab. It'll show you the money bags account where it'll actually show you how to pay off your house much quicker than any example any YouTuber has shown you. And we also have passive income generator as well. One link. God bless you. And if you see a video right here on the screen somewhere, you know what? That's a sign. That's a sign that you should watch it. God bless you, and we'll see you in another video.